Let me tell you about stuff. This right here is my brand spanking new engine stand that I'm building. Brand new. Here is what the engine will be sitting on. This pipe is gonna go standing straight up all the way up. This will have wheels on it. And it'll hopefully have the thing that flips the engine upside down. I'm getting a Coleman Road 12 valve from our friends Dan and Jenny Apostle, and I'm gonna run over to Boomer real quick. This engine stand will be finished Sunday, because tomorrow we have a soapbox race. And yes, there will be a video tomorrow as well. So, and this will be what we put the Coleman Road 12 valve on to build it. So, peace out.